All right, so watch out for this. Going a little fast. There's the corner right there. It's going right. Slow down. Slow down. There you go. ABS. Oh, a little gravel got you, though. Nice, easy dip. Jump. I got to talk over the music. Sorry, guys. Got to talk over the music.
Saw that fucking turn come up on you, man.
I know. That was my bad.
Hang on. Let's wait for more people so it doesn't roll downhill. We need a couple in the front and a few on the side.
Hold on.
Doing good. Doing good. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
Go to the front so it doesn't roll downhill. I got the brake.
Well, hey, hold on. Do I want to? I don't want to go down that way.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go, push.
Yeah, you got plenty of people. You can move it out. Look at this. This is a group that is awesome. They all should wear gear. I get that, but
You tried to slow down that fucking gravel.
they're all helping each other out.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
You had a nice cushion to land in there.
Yeah, pushing.
I wasn't going that fast by the time I got there.
Because I saw you hit, roll, and go.
I dismounted. I said, boop.
All right, so you're riding over here. Okay, so you notice how you can't see anything past that? That's because it's a crest of a hill. So we talk about blind turns going this way and you can't see, you know, like around this turn because they have all this stuff. So you need to work within, you know, this vision right here because you can't see anything. So you need to work within here. Well, it's the same concept when it comes to the crest of a hill. You see how you can't see anything? It's because it's right there. Now, one thing you can do, and one thing that I like to look at, because I grew up in Yuma to where there's all these farm fields and you can't tell where the dirt roads are, is you look at telephone poles and power lines. So you see how it's going this way? It's going this way. I think there's one right here. I think there's one right there. You see how there's like none over here? There's none over here, but the telephone poles are going this way, so it's like this, right? So more than likely, that's what the turn... Now, these are all assumptions, but this is going to kind of give you an idea, and this is another reason why I like to have my Rockform phone mount on my handlebars is because I put GPS on, and it tells me, you know, like where it's going, you know, where the turn is going. I like to have it follow, so it's like using a video game UI, you know, the map. You know, like in Grand Theft Auto, I like look down real quick, like, oh, the turn's gonna go this way, so okay, I got to be prepped and ready for it. So that's what I use my phone for when it comes to having it on the handlebars. I don't use it for very much other than that. But that's what I see right here. Okay, so now you can kind of see a little bit of the road. You can see a little bit of the road right there. So that should definitely tell you should probably slow it down. Slow it down because you're going to have to make this turn. And it's like this really weird turn where you start on a hill and then you go down. So it might be this weird off-camber type of turn where you need to take it a little bit slower than a normal turn. It's not like NASCAR where it's all banked up. So he's now slowing down. He's decelerating and he's applying the brakes. It's not going to be enough. Should have done it prior, maybe not speed up so much. Understand how much you can slow down and stop with whatever speed you're doing it on. So if you want to test out your high speed braking and everything, get on the interstate and then go on an off-ramp. So you're going 75, 65 miles an hour, get on the off-ramp and start downshifting, start applying the brakes. That is your testing. Do that as it's a safer way to test your higher speed braking. So right here, it's like, oh, crap. You know, maybe if he committed to the turn, he would be able to make it. But I want you to hear the ABS kick in. Matt, you gonna hit the button? You hear that? Go. That's the ABS kicking in. So he applied a ton of brake pressure. If this was anybody else's bike that didn't have ABS, let's say this bike, he's riding the same bike, just not the ABS model. Good chance of fishtailing, good chance of maybe dumping the bike, good chance of not having the traction needed to slow down this much to where he did go off the road at a higher speed. So ABS is a great safety thing to have on your, I don't know what to say, but it's a great safety feature, there you go, to have on your motorcycle. It's not going to save you 100% of the time though. It's going to help mitigate issues. So every little thing that you add safety feature wise helps mitigate a problem. At the end of the day, if you're user error, if you're going out there speeding, you're not slowly pressing rolling, you're not searching for these hazards, you're not planning your ride, position yourself for safety, locate hazards, adapt to hazards, and negotiate threats. If you're not doing that, it doesn't matter how many safety features you have. It doesn't matter how much skill you have. You need to be able to know what you're supposed to be doing in the first place. So all this gravel is pretty scary. Easily lose traction there. He kept it up though. Starts to low side it because of it. So very important. Grabs traction, almost high sided right there. But I'd rather fall in this stuff. My only concern now at this point is a snake. So I have to skip that because of the music, but his buddies are all around. They're all getting things ready. You could easily do a quick assessment just by looking at your friend that did crash. If he's walking around, he actually says he's okay, then you don't need to do anything. Now it's just focus on the bike, get it out of here. And then once we get up here, I'm going to do a secondary assessment, just do a double check and be like, hey man, is everything, let me, you know, you're my friend, humor me, let me do what I want to do. I will feel better. We're good friends. You know what I mean. I'll just double check everything. And that's just kind of how I would do it.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
You had a nice cushion to land in there.
Yeah, it was a cushion.
I wasn't going that fast by the time I got there.
Because I saw you hit, roll, and go.
I dismounted. I said, boop.
So grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.